Hi, I'm Aliza Shatzman, and as you probably know by now, I am the president and founder of the Legal Accountability Project, a nonprofit aimed at ensuring that law clerks have positive clerkship experiences while extending support and resources to those who do not. Today is June 1st, and it is the 1 year anniversary of LAP's launch. It has been an incredible year. Throughout the month, in celebration of LAP's progress, we will be making various exciting announcements, so stay tuned for that. I launched LAP a year ago because I believed there was a significant void in both the nonprofit space and the public dialogue around clerkships. As I reflected on my experience as a law clerk experiencing mistreatment and unsure where to go for help, as well as a former clerk engaging in the formal judicial complaint process, it was clear to me that no organization was working to protect law clerks against workplace mistreatment full-time, and few in the legal community were even discussing issues like gender discrimination, harassment, and retaliation in the judiciary. When we launched a year ago today, we announced plans to roll out two major initiatives in our first year: a centralized clerkships database and a workplace culture assessment of the federal and state judiciary. LAP has already undergone several pivots, but our progress in just one short year has been significant. Here are just a few of LAP's accomplishments this year. We created a post-clerkship survey that asks a variety of questions about judges as managers and clerkship experiences. Former clerks from law schools and courthouses across the country have been actively sharing their clerkship experiences with LAP since April of 2023. We created a centralized clerkships database that democratizes information about judges. This legal technology initiative is a repository of post-clerkship surveys that vastly increases the breadth and candor of information accessible to students considering clerkships, as well as to clerkship advisors assisting with applications. We engaged in productive dialogue with more than 70 law schools, deans, and clerkship directors about LAP's initiatives and made significant progress with many administrations. We visited nearly 30 law schools during the 2022 to 23 school year to discuss judicial accountability, clerkships, and LAP's vision for increasing transparency and diversity in the clerkship application process, judiciary, and legal profession. We built a robust and growing board of directors with diverse expertise in the legal, technology, diversity, equity, and inclusion, and business communities. We release daily content, including more than 24 articles, more than 60 podcasts, more than 20 videos, and daily social media posts that have changed the conversation around clerkships in the legal community. We've transformed the messaging and programming around judicial clerkships on many law school campuses. And importantly, we have raised the bar on both clerkship advising on law school campuses and on workplace civility in the judiciary. And we are just getting started. Law students are finally asking the right questions before clerking. They are increasingly empowered to demand transparency and equity in the clerkship process from their law school administrations. I have appreciated the outpouring of support for LAP from the legal community and judiciary, as well as the tech and business communities over the past year. On this 1 year anniversary of LAP's launch, I hope you'll consider doing several things. First, donate. Help us bring LAP's initiatives to more law schools and law students this year. Second, if you clerked, fill out LAP's post-clerkship survey, which is available at survey.legalaccountabilityproject.org, and share your clerkship experience with LAP. Then encourage your friends and colleagues who clerked to do so as well. Third, encourage your law school to partner with LAP on the clerkships database. Many administrations are considering this initiative right now, and student and alumni support will make a difference. Next, reshare LAP's content and perhaps even tag your law school. Finally, tell a friend about us. I've been impressed with how information about LAP has spread through word of mouth alone. Heading into year 2, I am incredibly optimistic that positive change is headed to law schools, the legal profession, and the judiciary. Thanks for your support.